So we just got done with the waterfall and we're at this cute little, it's like a restaurant up in the middle of the mountains. We have been driving up this hill in this little truck thing, which is like a traditional Chiang Mai taxi, and just had some really good food and some fried rice, this clear soup, and it's been really nice, super good. Yep.
I bought like 10 packs.
Alright, we just got up to the jungle and we're about to start trekking. And I think we're hiking for like 3 hours today. I'm not entirely sure the distance, but it should be pretty fun. Yes, we got mosquito spray. I really hope not.
This way?
Team no malaria. Alright, here we go. I would reckon that we are at least halfway there, if not more than halfway there, because we just walked up a massive mountain, and down there is where we've been. Alright, we made it and we are going to take a shower. And this is what the shower looks like. You can't really see that well, but this is like a bamboo shoe or the water. Let's see. So, that's what the shower looks like. And this is what the bathroom looks like. Actually, I'm surprised that there's like a regular toilet in there. You just have to like flush it yourself by like putting the water in the bucket. Okay. Well, let's get this show on the road.
this is how my people my village. When we are building house, day one, we're gonna help each other together like this. Day one, we don't have to get from someone special like organizer or decide. No, we have a engineer. 1, good, 2, 3. About how high, how big, how meter. There are 2 more clearly. So this is a new generation, yeah. So most before we building house by bamboo. Bamboo can get everywhere, easy, very fast. One house, you see, you have bamboo, yeah. 3-4 days, over, finished, done. By bamboo, yeah. But even by wood, longer. Maybe like almost a year, yeah. So after the potilla, everything roof cover like that one, and only the family. Just working like 2-3 people per day. Still to they're finished.
Wow.
This is how we building house. Because of the wood, not easy to get everywhere around the village. So even we find some wood, we have to report with the ranger. And when we build a house, we already report with the ranger how many trees and then how big of your house you're gonna make it, and then we have to report to the ranger first. That's more clearly, yeah. Nè.
Very, very cool.
All over here, you're gonna very close to me. Uncle, cousin, my daddy.
Oh, your dad? He's pretty strong. Look at him go. Hey.
You believe me or not? Look like that.
He does, yeah.
That is true.
He, my uncle, he like cousin, no?
Oh, okay.
Cousin. Very close,
Yeah.
all over the whole village, and that's when from my dad and from my mom.
So cool. Oh, yeah.
Hi, camera. Saudi.
Got it going on. You got it going on. Who's that?
Oh, fly.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good! Wow.
Double shot.
Whoa! I'm sitting in the middle. Wow.
All right, we are about to leave to go bamboo raft down the river. And fuck you, dude.
And
Do you want to tell us what we're doing?
we're trying not to get eaten by crocodiles. And hopefully,
And river snakes.
oh my gosh, river snakes, water buffalo, and also to make sure that France doesn't fuck us over.
Great.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. And we're doing some squats beforehand.
Go for it.
Oh
We're gonna
yeah.
do some push-ups.
Get
There
ready.
we
Go
go.
Canada.
Canada up.
Had my protein powder.
Woo!
Good to go. Huh? Puppies, yeah. Do you have to do that for submarine training? Yeah. They're hard. They're very hard.
That was very, very nice up here. Belgium, rolling joints as per usual.
Drug dealer, yeah.
And then this is our bedroom, even though we already made our beds and stuff. So yeah, it's been an absolutely incredible experience. I mean, there's just no words for this.
This ramp, we use a transport. Big food, big water from the top. Down here, snake. Water snake.
Water snake.
This will.
We want to show.
Okay.
Not now.
Not later, tonight. Thank you.
Too many people watching.
Right.